Subalit dahil hindi yan dumaan sa notice of suspension, in-issue niya yung notice of disallowance nang hindi binibigyan ng pagkakataon, sumagot muna o magpaliwanag ang OVP. Wala pa po sila. Ngayon pa lang kung sakasakali kung mag-a-appeal sila.
Opo.
Gina Acosta, isang bonded na senior special disbursement officer na mag-transfer ng kanyang responsibility sa isa pang officer.
Your Honor, please.
Yes, Counsel?
Leading question, Your Honor.
Actually, I would have sustained it because she asked and answered. Already answered, Counsel.
You said, I will reform you.
Yes, she already answered that question earlier. Kindly reform, Counsel.
Ito namang Miss Villa del Rey, why did you say she is an accountable officer?
Dahil po dun sa liquidation report, sinertify niya na complete and proper yung mga liquidation documents po. Pero upon the evaluation po, hindi po ito complete and proper.
And Colonel Chica?
Dahil po siya ang nag-disburse ng cash advance despite not being the special disbursing officer ng Office of the Vice President.
And why is that? Is this among your observations?
Yes po.
And what did your observation indicate about Colonel Chica?
Yun nga po, yung naging, ito po yung isang mga ground kung bakit po na-disallow yung total ng 375 million.
Sa pagkaalam namin, based on our understanding, may mga stages yan. Ano? Ang unang stage ng evaluation, audit, observation, memorandum. Tama?
Opo, tama po.
And in the case of the Office of the Vice President, naka-issue kayo ng AOM.
Opo, tama po.
Ang next stage dapat dyan ay ang notice of suspension. Tama?
Opo.
Now, in the case of the Office of the Vice President, pagkatapos nagbigay ng response ang Office of the Vice President sa AOM na in-issue ninyo, anong nangyari? Anong ginawa ng Office of the Vice President?
Nag-respond po sila sa AOM po.
So nag-respond sa AOM. Did the response address? Sinagot ba ng response na yan ang lahat ng observations, lahat ng non-compliance, lahat ng discrepancy, deficiency na pinoint out nyo sa AOM?
Based po sa evaluation ng mga responses together with the attached documents po, hindi pa rin po ito naging compliant sa joint circular.
And what did you do? What did your office do, if any?
Kaya po, nag-issue po kami ng notice of disallowance.
Bakit, Madam Witness? Sa pagkaalam natin, pagkatapos ng AOM, dapat notice of suspension. Bakit nyo agad in-issue ang isang notice of disallowance at hindi na kayo nagbigay ng notice of suspension muna? Bakit diniretso ninyo sa disallowance?
Dahil nga po sa naging statement under oath ni Ms. Gina Acosta na ibinigay niya yung, na by the directive of BP Sara, binigay niya kay Colonel Lachica yung cash advance for CF, which is a violation po ng joint circular, making it irregular po.
Apart from this joint circular of 2015, please confirm kung meron mga rules and regulations na in-issue ang COA para sa mga settlement of accounts, if you know.
Ang basis po namin is yung rules and regulations on settlement of accounts po.
Anong ibig sabihin nun? Anong particular provision?
Pwede pong pakiulit yung tanong.
Sinabi mo na merong rules and regulations on settlement of accounts.
Opo, meron po.
At instead of a notice of suspension, diniretso nyo agad sa notice of disallowance.
Opo, tama po.
Anong pinagbasihan ninyo nito?
Dahil nga po, ang definition po ng notice of disallowance based on the joint circular is yung transaction po appears to be illegal, improper, or irregular. And in this case po, yung naging transfer po is a direct violation, making the transaction irregular. Kaya naging notice of disallowance na po yung inisyo namin.
Okay. So itong pag-transfer ng responsibilidad sa disbursement na hindi naman special disbursement officer, sinabi mo illegal.
Doon po siya sa irregular, which is violation po siya sa joint circular.
Okay. So yung joint circular nakalagay illegal, improper, at irregular. Ang sinasabi mo ay irregular.
Opo, tama po.
At bakit irregular ulit?
Kasi po hindi siya
Ask and
hindi,
answered, Your Honor. Ask and answered.
Asked and
already.
answered, Counsel.
Okay. What is the status of this notice of disallowance at present, if you know?
nasa
Ask and answered already, Your Honor.
I don't quite remember, Counsel. It
was
would be
not
okay
asked
to
yet,
repeat.
Your Honor. I
It would
think
be okay to
Counsel-
repeat nevertheless. Yes, Ms. Eileen.
What is the status of this notice of disallowance?
nasa prescribed period pa po ang OBP para po mag-appeal sa commission proper po.
Okay.
With the indulgence of counsel, and what is the prescribed period to appeal before the commission?
180 days po after nila ma-receive yung notice of
6
disallowance.
months.
Opo.
You may proceed, counsel.
And to your knowledge, are they still well within this 6-month period to
Ask and
submit?
answered already, Your Honor.
Your Honor, please, it is within, this is follow-up to the question of the presiding officer. What is the period? 180 days. My question is the 180 days still currently applicable?
Yes po.
Okay. Next, Madam Witness, are you still okay?
Opo.
Punta naman tayo dito sa Department of Education.
Before you move on, counsel, with the indulgence of Attorney Kapunan, Ma'am Sailin, so dahil binigay di umano kay Latchika ni Gina Acosta, dinisallow niyo na lahat.
Yes po kasi direct violation po ito ng joint circular.
Subalit dahil hindi yan dumaan sa notice of suspension, inisyu niyo yung notice of disallowance nang hindi binibigyan ng pagkakataon, sumagot muna o magpaliwanag ang OVP. Wala pa po sila nun. Ngayon pa lang kung sakasakali kung mag-a-appeal sila.
Opo.
So you have not heard the side of the Vice President or the OVP's office with respect to what you heard Gina Acosta say under oath in the House hearings. Wala pa
Okay.
silang response doon.
Wala pa po.
Wala
Doon
pa
na
rin
lang
kayong-
po. Doon na lang po sa appeal.
Doon na lamang. So inisyu nyo to nang hindi naririnig yung panig nila.
Opo.
You may proceed, counsel, to the DepEd.